You've heard about Beforepay, right? That app that lets you get paid early? But here's the burning question. Does Beforepay actually limit you to just 4 payments a month? Let's dive in and find out the truth. Beforepay is a fantastic tool for those unexpected expenses that pop up between paychecks. Need to fix your car, cover a surprise medical bill, or maybe that dream concert tickets just went on sale. Beforepay can be a lifesaver. But, like any financial tool, it comes with its own set of rules. And that's where the 4-payment limit rumor comes in. Now, here's the deal. The 4-payment limit is a bit of a myth. Beforepay doesn't have a hard and fast rule saying you can only get paid early 4 times a month. Instead, they focus on responsible lending. They want to make sure you're using Beforepay in a way that's sustainable for your finances. So, what actually determines how many times you can use Beforepay? Your individual financial situation. Beforepay uses sophisticated algorithms to assess your income, spending patterns, and overall financial health. Your repayment history. Consistent and on-time repayments are key. A strong repayment history builds trust and allows for more flexibility in the future. The amount you're borrowing, larger or more frequent advances may require a closer look at your financial situation. Beforepay's risk assessment. They constantly monitor market conditions and adjust their lending policies accordingly. Think of it this way, Beforepay wants to be a helpful tool, not a financial burden. They aim to provide flexibility while ensuring you can comfortably repay your advances. Now, here's the important part. Even though there's no strict 4-payment limit, it's crucial to use Beforepay responsibly. Only borrow what you absolutely need. Avoid using it for frivolous purchases or to cover regular expenses. Create a budget and stick to it. This will help you track your income and expenses, ensuring you can comfortably repay your advances. Pay back your advances on time. Late payments can impact your credit score and limit future access to Beforepay. Use Beforepay as a short-term solution. It's not a long-term solution for financial difficulties. If you're facing ongoing financial challenges, consider seeking professional financial advice. Beforepay doesn't have a rigid 4-payment limit. However, responsible borrowing is key. By understanding how Beforepay assesses your eligibility and using it wisely, you can leverage this service to cover unexpected expenses while maintaining your financial well-being. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.